LED bulb. Anybody knows how it works? No. Okay, I wanna fit the final version of this control panel. Final, not final, you know, it will be like some water gauges. I don't have this for now. Now is final, and connect what I can connect here, including lights, etc. Here we have the, let's say, final control panel, of course without holes for water and waste gauges. It will be done later on when we have these gauges. Right now we don't have it. Wasn't like a small fault, but I just painted gray and pretend so I don't know about it anything. It's copy of this temporary panel which I fabricate earlier. So instead of such an old-fashioned bulb, it's working, but I think it's working from beginning of this car. We fit such a nice LED bulb, and of course fit this. To tell the truth, I never know how it works, but it works. Anybody knows how it works? Okay. And wait 2 minutes if switch off or not. Okay, works. Okay, first this. Okay, so right now light switches, very nice, but I don't remember which are which wire are fed. So I'm short the end of this wire in the main loom on the, and we check. Okay, so this is feed. Let's say make for future, just for future feed. Today I will remember. Maybe after few days I forgot about it, and for sure I forgot in next year. When I buy this wiring, I suppose that it will be red and black, but this is a brown and black. Right now we can feed this wiring somewhere, Don't worry, it's a lot of space behind. Okay, and right now I need small screws. It will be kind of problem. It's a kind of problem because I don't have. Maybe I have somewhere. No. I have to find standard screws. And what left? What left? The battery monitor is here. This is, from what I understand from manual, because it can be different story. This monitor, this one, have a outlet for relay. It's generally it's not for relay. It's just like a switch. I don't remember. It's normally closed or normally open. The most modern version, because it's quite old. This is older model. Have like a two of them. Is one is normally open, second is normally closed. I don't remember which are in this version, but doesn't make a difference. Of course, it should be done like that. It means like we have to push this wire inside. Definitely it's require one hand more. Okay, done, and we fit it, done. And because it's round, we also have a frame square frame frame square frame. Okay, it's squarish, looks squarish. Screws, of course, small screws like usually problem, but we try to find it. Here will be water gauges. I make the frame in the same color. No, because right now I have this spray and later on everything can happen. Okay.